dito, kasing mahaba din ang way papuntang Rockwell, di dapat dito na ako dumiretso kanina. Grabe, no?
At inangkas.ph po niya yun, grabe. Kung kami mga naka-Uber, siya nag-angkas.ph.
Sabi ng mga nasa tour ko, nasa na si Benina, on route na.
Angkas.ph.
Sabi, okay, nagda-drive ba siya, hindi nakaangkas.
Ang galing mo doon, Nasaan na sila Kuya Will?
Nasa
Nasa taas.
Ako din, Chichibog time. She's! Hi guys, at ngayon nandito na tayo sa SMX Convention Center. Ay, kamusta ka na Kuya Will?
I'm happy. Yeah, I'm doing good.
You're inspired?
I'm inspired, you can use that word. Yeah.
And you are, what else?
I'm, what?
Are you contented?
Yes, I'm contented.
We gotta go. Gotta do it to it. Ano daw? Ganda ni Ate Alodia.
Makeup lang po.
Ikaw talaga lagi nang gano'n eh. Hindi po, nakita na walang makeup ate. Ganda ka pa din.
Salamat.
Sobrang cute niya. Hi! Yan yung highlights ko. Oh, lumabas na.
Nice setup. Look at your setup there.
Oh,
It's
look
so
at your
cute.
setup then. Diba? Oh, how's Ate Ave?
Ate?
Yeah.
Ate or Ave?
Ate Ave. He's Maverick. Nagpa-vlog na rin siya. And he's super funny. Napanood ko yung first vlog mo, Besh. Do you understand me Tagaloging?
Very little. Oh my god, look at all
It's like YouTube Fan Fest, but
Oh
everyone's
my
in like costumes and
God!
stuff.
Ang daming tao, in fairness. Ang hawa. Andun sila nagpa-vlog din. Hello po! Parang fan fest. Hello po! Ang daming tao. Oh my God. Nag-guest na ako sa mga ganito. It's my first time dito sa ToyCon.
Ano ba Ninay?
Hi Kuya, it's my first time dito. Kuya Jaco, i-upload mo ba yan?
Ito?
Opo. Upload niyo po yan. Nagpa-vlog na si Kuya Jaco. We made it!
Ask Benina, there is. No. Jacko, Benina. I'm not asking her anything.
English, what?
He's like, what initiation do you have to do to get in the vlog squad?
Oh, you have
She had your free fall.
I had to jump in the 8th floor.
The what?
8th floor building. Like that.
The 8th floor. Yeah, okay, she had to like bungee jump. Jacko had to sandboard and he fell on his face.
Ay, ako pala. Welcome. Kamusta po kayo?
Ayan. So, pag dito ka, kahit saan ka dito,
Sige po, dito.
yung nakakatawa pa dito is that over here, take your seat, and you know, over here, this will be the first time, while people are on stage, they'll also be vlogging while they are on the stage. Panina, batiin mo yung mga tao dito ngayon, please, all our friends.
Ay, kamusta po kayo dyan?
Anong message mo sa mga fans mo dito ngayong hapon na ito?
Salamat po sa pagpunta at magchichikahan tayo today.
Okay, maraming salamat, Paninay. And Jaco, thanks so much for joining. Ito, napon sa stage, nag-vlog at the same time, nag-live video at the same time. Again, Jaco, thanks so much for joining us here for our very special panel on influencers. Joining both Jaco and Paninay here on stage. Please welcome Phil and TV personality, mobile blogger.
What's up, guys? How's it going? Yo, are you cosplaying me right now? Look at that!
You've got a cosplayer up!
This is exciting.
From 2014, the top 10 most popular cosplayers. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Philippines' very own Alodia Nosavian!
I think ako nag-start ako on television. Tapos ang naging problem ko with TV is kung sino lang yung nanonood sa'yo at that time, yun na yun. With the internet kasi, with online, may chance ka to find your audience and have your audience find you. So it's a two-way thing naman.
Round of applause, please!
Ayan na. At yan mga best, tapos na kami mag-talk dito sa SMX Convention Center with Alodia, the ever cute Alodia, Goshi and Fiam.
At least you got it right.
Goshi and Fiam.
Oh, pwede pala.
No English. My English is limited.
Sige po, Tagalog po tayo.
Where will you go after this?
Where will I go? Baka Japan. I don't know.
Japan?
Japan.
You travel a kalat, no? Opo. Di ba? Nag-i-English na ako. Sana magkaroon tayo ng collab.
Yes, definitely. Message mo lang ako. Definitely.
Sige, bongga.
Anong gagawin natin? Gusto mo mag-costume?
Yes! Oh my God! Wait! Alodia, make up me. Ganon.
Sige, pwede kita make up na siya.
Oh
Kahit
my
anong gusto
God!
mo. Pwede tayong laro ng video game.
Alodia dressing me up. Oh my God! Gusto ko yan, Beshi. Game tayo dyan. Message kita sa Instagram.
Yes.
Thank you, Alodia.
Thank you, Paninay fans.
Bye! Masaya na, parang chill-chill lang tayo doon.
Chill lang tayo. Parang party lang dyan sa harap ng stage. And syempre, masaya talaga makita lahat ng mga tagahanga, mga taga-suporta, and the people that keep this train going.
Tagalog.
Stick talaga niyan, di ba?
Pare.
Rock na to. Rock and roll to the world.
Wait lang, kailangan ko ng thumbnail. Punta ka sa concert ko, baka mawala ka. Anong oo nga, mawala ka, oo nga.
Apo. Anything for you, bata.
Thank you.
Say I love you.
Love you. Yan si Alodia. Kumusta na kayo?
Ano, good. We're all good. We're all having fun, di ba?
Showbiz. Nakakasar yung showbiz. Showbiz sumagot. Vlog lang to, Beshi.
I learned from Luis. Oh! What are you gonna clickbait Willodia?
Yeah, syempre. Tapos sa gitna ako. Tapos,
That's what I taught you.
Di ba like ako sa gitna, Will Ninay, Willodia ako eh.
Oh nga. Well, Ninay versus Willodia. Comment below.
Hi, Kuya Jaco. Dimples. Yes. Dimples
nag-enjoy
for
ka?
life. Opo.
Love it.
At yan, binigyan kami ni Kuya Jaco ng tickets. Manonood kami ng Cirque du Soleil. Thank you, Kuya Jaco. Salamat po. Nagpa-vlog na siya. Sana i-upload niya. And I'm with Maverick. Ano ba gusto mong tawag? What do you want me to... Brett or Maverick or what?
Whatever you're feeling. Maverick on a good day. Brett on a better day. I don't know. Go with Brett.
I'll go with Brett. Ate Abby, where are you? I miss you. I'm with your love team, your Pinoy Henyo love team. Yes.
This was my story.
At ayan ang mga best, tapos na ang araw. I'm with Brett pa rin, in fairness. The AFAM. Naintindihan niyo, may kausap ako sa phone. Tapos sabi ko, I'm with AFAM. Tapos, naintindihan niyo pala. Where did you know that?
When I was in Siargao with Will, someone from the film crew.
Oh, they said to you AFAM?
Yes, I'm used to being made fun of. It's okay.
Do you know the meaning of AFAM? Do you know?
Foreigner
A foreigner?
in Manila.
We use that for the handsome boys. AFAM, like that.
Handsome boys.
Yeah.
Like who?
Like foreigners, like that. Like you. Ako yan! Every good day has an end. At ito, pauwi na kami ni Brett. My body for today. Tapos na ang araw. Siguro, uwi na lang, papahinga. And tulog dahil kagabi wala pa akong katulog-tulog kahit ilang oras. Ay, nakatulog pala ako 2 hours. Ayan, kaya babawi ako ng tulog today. And it's a wrap. Bye-bye na po. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Subscribe to him. Hi po. Subscribe to him ha. Bago lang siya nagvo-vlog. Ngayon lang siya nagvo-vlog. At sana supportahan niyo. Sobrang funny niya. Afam! Best! Joke lang.